Thinking of making big changes in your home for the holidays? Well, don't. Interior designer Glen Peloso joins us with small things that can be finished in time and rescued in time just for our segment.
Just for the segment, exactly, yes.
So you think people are, okay, we're hosting people, I want a brand new kitchen,
right,
or I want to redo the powder room.
I mean, as it gets to be towards November and the middle of November, you have people call and they're like, hey, you know, it's going to be Christmas, we have friends coming, I'm thinking of redoing the kitchen, and I'm like, please do not do that, because all that's going to happen is that you'll fail. Like there's simply not enough time to plan it, order it, you know, execute it, and then have it done before the 25th. And you don't want it done on the 25th. You really want it done on the 20th. And it's just, there's just simply not enough time.
Because there's still cleanup to be done afterwards.
There's demo, there's cleanup, there's also the planning, and then the time that it takes to do something that is custom. There just really isn't enough time. And so I always say, hey, let's not do this. I mean, as I was saying to you earlier, I'm just like, hey, Santa's not coming. It's not actually him. It's just your Aunt Susan. She's coming back next year. Why don't we wait until January or February and do this really well, and then you can present it next Christmas, as opposed to having a stressful one now.
But here are some things, and like changing out fixtures is so easy.
It is really actually truly easy.
Yeah.
I mean, one of these, this is a Moen product called Jurgen. It's new to them. Comes in a bunch of different finishes. So if you decided I wanted to upgrade the kitchen, I just want to upgrade the faucet. Not crazy expensive, so you're not spending a ton of money. Adding gold, like you could add a gold faucet with a bunch of gold knobs or black knobs to create that combination, and you get kind of a whole different look to the kitchen. Right. And that can be really easy. You can do it yourself. They're not so different. It's not so difficult to switch out a faucet for another faucet. Doing the knobs, as long as, I mean, there's a few things to remember. If you're going to get like pulls, the distance between the two screws has to match when you get something new. But if it's knobs, it's easy enough. You can run a screwdriver to take it out.
We did that with our kitchen. Now, mind you, there were 70 to be done. So I wouldn't recommend doing that all at once. But it made a huge, huge difference in the look of the cabinets. It didn't change the cabinets at all. We just changed the knobs.
The knobs. And that kind of stuff really has a dramatic effect. And it will have people come and go, oh, wow, you've renovated. And you really haven't. You've just changed a bit of things.
Yeah, it looks different.
If you're up for doing something that's a little bit more challenging, I mean, changing the backsplash, it's not a small job, but it is accomplishable. You can buy the tile, take what you have there off, put something new on. You can also do something like change the countertops. You might have a laminate countertop, which is going to be, you know, maybe $300 or $400 in order to be able to do. You can change that out relatively simply. You probably want a professional to do it. Or you could go to stone, and there's tons and tons of different stones, plus tons and tons of marbles, and now a bunch of porcelains that you can do the same thing. So you can see in that example over there, the top one is a stone, the bottom one is a porcelain. But you wouldn't be able to tell that it wasn't actually a stone. It looks spectacular. You could have somebody come and do that. You know, this is a product that's Seat, and they have a whole different, and so you could go with something a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more samey, a little bit darker. So we're sort of seeing at the moment these sort of dark, rich, warm 26 colors, or you know, the grays. That was the Benjamin Moore dark gray color. Navy blue is super popular as well, and it's
such a nice neutral too.
It's beautiful. It really is beautiful. If you want to do something like change the whole kitchen, it is possible, but only, like I just did a basement, I did a bit of a B-roll, that is, I redid the basement because my daughter's going to come and stay, and she wants to have her own space, and so I'm like, okay, I'll give you a little kitchen down there as well. And so we redid that, and it was in IKEA. And you can accomplish doing something as simple as this. I mean, this is a product called, I think it's Levtan, and it's sort of a, you know, a bright white finish to the doors. Relatively simple to do. I did this sort of over the course of 3 or 4 days. Not crazy, but if you're going to move walls, you can't do it because people forget that there's no floor under the wall.
Yes, the floor has to change.
You're going to have to change the whole flooring, and you're not going to get that done. If you're just going to take out the cabinets you have, put in some new cabinets in exactly the same spot, IKEA is a relatively good place to go because you can accomplish that in the space of time that
and as long as they're not custom made, right?
As long as they're not custom made. And so you're a little bit, you know, challenged, but by the amount of space that you have. So you may end up with more spacers than you would if you were doing something custom. However, you end up with a really great look for a really decent price.
Okay, we've run out of time, but some small ideas that you can do. Don't think you've got to do it all at once.
You do not.
Good ideas.
I'll come and help.
Okay. We'll get your links up on our website, chch.com.